All right, remember, no faces on media at the moment. So what is the microscope kids doing?
Yes.
Tell me all about it.
Stem of corn.
Stem of corn.
Stem of corn.
That's stem of corn. What's this one over here?
Fruit fly.
Fruit fly.
This is the leaves.
Okay, so you have to do these from. Do you have to do them from memory? Yeah. Okay. And what are the diagram students doing? Draw. Oh. And then we'll go over to this group over here. I like the mess. It's a good mess. This particular group is doing what with the carbon? You're making a what?
I'm making a bucket.
You're going to trace the buckyball off the screen and cut it out, tape it up, and... Oh, you're going to make a buckyball. Okay.
You're recording us?
Yeah, but no faces, because, you know, media rights and all. Nope, no faces. Let's go over to this one. This one's doing biography of, let's see, no names. Oh, love the drawing, Louis Pasteur. Let's do it this right. There we go. Very nice. Just make sure you get the biopic stuff on them, the biography stuff. Okay, so we got 4 projects going on at once. All right. Not TikTok. No, it's not TikTok. Dang it.